Alright, boys, it's March 2nd, 2026. We took another fucking loss. Super upset about this loss today. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. It was stupid. But originally, I was bullish coming into the day. We swept out this low on ES, but not in Q, making a high time frame S&T on the 4 hour. We were inside of this bullish gap. I just, with multiple draws above London high, Asia high, or not London high, I got swept pre-market, but Asian high, which was inside of this new week opening gap. And my draw got hit, obviously, but I still took a loss. So we kind of just ripped off market open and then started chopping after the first 5-minute candle was formed. But we came to equilibrium here from this 5-minute to this high here. I guess let me just. Alright, and then there's this unfilled 5-minute gap right here as well. We came down, tapped equilibrium that perfectly aligned with the 5-minute gap, and got an immediate inversion to the upside with a super healthy close. So I entered off that and got stopped out, obviously. And now we're continuing to push higher. I was just going to target a 1-to-1. I don't think this was a good trade, honestly. I wasn't planning on taking anything, but I was on a call with my friend Quant, and I'm not blaming this on him or anything, but I just genuinely cannot trade if I'm talking to someone. I know that I can't do that, but I still just stayed on the phone. It's not his fault, obviously. I'm not blaming him. It's my fault. I should have just said, yeah, I cannot talk right now. But I ended up getting fried because he was talking about the setup and saying that he was looking to take it, and then I kind of just FOMO'd into it because of that, which I normally don't even trade equilibrium like this anyways. And there was this huge imbalance, this 15-minute. We did end up tapping it beforehand though, so it was already technically mitigated, but we were just in such a premium to long that it just honestly wasn't a great idea, I guess. But I still just FOMO'd into it and I got stopped out, obviously. I'm sure it ends up moving higher for the day, probably towards this 1-hour high here, or this 1-hour high right here. Previous day high I think was that. But yeah, we fully filled the gap, so that's nice. But this was just a stupid trade. I'm honestly so upset at this, bro. My trading has been P&L wise, it's been so bad, bro. Genuinely so bad. I can't even take a win for the life of me. I swear, okay, today's different, but the past 3 weeks, bro, the setups I've been taking are not even bad setups, bro. They are good setups in my opinion, and I just get stopped out every single time, bro. I don't know if it's my model or what, but I just can't win, bro. I literally just can't win. And anytime I post a video, there's always someone saying oh, this is why you lost, this is why you lost. But even when you take a winning trade, bro, there's still gonna be reasons why that trade could have lost, So I don't know which shit to look for, which shit to not look for. So today was honestly just super terrible, bro. Super terrible. I need to journal this and just really dial in my trading. I feel like the only people I've seen that are winning recently are people that don't trade ICT and inverse for value gaps, bro. People trading order flow or GXT, whatever that is. I don't even really know. I tried looking at that. It didn't really make sense to me, bro. But I probably just need to give it more time. So, yeah. I don't really know what to do going forward. I'm not even trying to be coping and blaming it on price action, but we just rip. We just completely rip with nothing, you know what I mean? It almost feels if I just took the only trades that are winning are discretionary trades that aren't even mechanically good. Which I mean, I just don't have enough discretion, I guess, for that. I knew the draw was higher today. I knew I wanted longs, and it just ended up ripping towards my draw without giving me an entry. So I feel that typically tends to happen a lot as well. So I mean, it's pretty unfortunate, very discouraging, but I mean, there's not much I can do besides continuing to trade and keep trying to get better and learning from my mistakes. So I guess that's just what we're gonna do. Anyway, I hope everyone has a good day today. If you took a loss today, it's alright. Just keep going. Make sure you journal it, figure out why you lost, and come back tomorrow. See y'all, boys.